ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। Slowly open your eyes. Very good day, everyone. Yes. Now shall we update our calendar? So before updating the calendar, we are having important message for the parents. Yes. So kindly listen. Dear parents, we congratulate each and every child for stepping into upper kindergarten. We are happy to inform that we have started online class. We really need your cooperation and participation. According to National Education Policy, Tamil and Hindi is compulsory as second languages. I repeat, according to National Education Policy, Tamil and Hindi is compulsory as second languages. During the class hours, we request parents to sit along with the kids. For the full 45 minutes, your mobile mic and video must be in orange color. I repeat, for the full 45 minutes, your mobile mic and video must be in orange color. It is sure that it's going to be a grand success with your kind cooperation and participation. Now shall we update our calendar? We are in the year 2021. We are in the year 2021. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Shall we recap the months of the year? Yes? Yes. I want all my children to repeat after me without unmuting your audio. Yes? Yes. January, February, March, April. We are in April month. Yes. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There are 12 months in a year. We are in April month. April is the 4th month of the year. Okay, dears? Okay. Then comes the day. There are 7 days in your week. 7 days in your week. Now, ma'am is going to sing a days of the week song. Okay? I want all my children to listen. Then slowly you can sing along with ma'am. Yes? Shall we start? Yes. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in your week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in your week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days in a week? 7 days in your week. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Shall we write Wednesday, dears? Want all my children to say after me. Yes. W-E-N-E-S-T-A-Y. Today is Wednesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. Yes. Today's date is 7/4/2021. 7 is today's date. 4 is April month. 2021 is the year. Yes. Now shall we update the weather with weather song? There is another song for you all. Yes. I want all my children to listen and then you can repeat after me. Okay. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy or windy? Yes. Want all my children, look outside your window and see to yourself. Yes? Yes, it is a hot, sunny day. Yes, very hot, a sunny day. So you must drink plenty of water. It's good for your health. Very good. Now, ma'am is going to turn off my video.
Yes. Now we are in block 1. Block, and the block name is This Is Me. I want all my children repeat after me without unmute your mind. Block name is This Is Me. Today we have English time. Today we have English time. Okay. Today we are going to recap the letters and its sound. Yes, I want all my children listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, you should not unmute your mic. Okay, dears? Yes. See here, the name of the letter is S. This is uppercase S and this is lowercase S. This is uppercase S and this is lowercase s. The sound of the letter S is. I want all my children repeat after me with action. The sound of the letter S is. Now, the name of the letter is A. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. The sound of the letter A is A, A, A. Repeat after me, dears, with action. The sound of the letter A is A, A, A. The name of the letter is T. This is uppercase T and this is lowercase t. Uppercase T and this is lowercase t. The sound of the letter T is T, T, T. Yes? Yes. Now I'm going to turn off my video and we are going to see the pictures with its sound. Yes, I want all my children repeat after me without unmute your mic. Okay, dear? Yes. Now we are going to see the pictures with the sound. Yes. This is uppercase S and this is lowercase s. The sound of the letter S is S. The sound of the letter S is S. So now we are going to see the pictures with sound S. Yes. I want all my children repeat after me. Seal. Seal. Soup. Soup. Sun. Sun. Star. Star. sips. Sips. Sips means to drink slowly and a little at a time. Yes, we can't drink the soup or liquid items at a time. Right, dears? So we are slowly. Okay? Sips. 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 Now I want all my children repeat after me without unmute your mic. Okay? Now see the teacher begins with letter sound. Seal. Repeat after me. Seal. Soup. Soup. Sun. Sun. Star. Star. Sips. Sips. Now I want all my children think and tell me the word that begins with sound. Tell your answer to your parent. They will type in the chat box. Yes? Now think and tell me the word that begins with letter sound. Think and tell me, dears. I will wait for 1 minute. I want answer in the chat box. Think and tell me. Yes, soap, snack, snake. Very good. Very good, dears. Sea, sunshine, seagull. Yes. Yes, very good. Well done. Sunflower, very good. Yes. The name of the letter is A. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. This is uppercase A. This is lowercase a. The sound of the letter A is A, 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 A. The sound of the letter A is A, A, A. Yes, now let's see pictures that begins with letter sound A. A. Yes, A, A, ant, ant, A, ant, A, apple, A, apple, A, arrow, A, arrow, A, aeroplane, A, aeroplane, A, axe, A, axe. Axe is a tool used for chopping wood. Okay, dear, is a tool used for chopping wood. Yes. Now I want all my children repeat after me. After me without unmute your mic. Name of the letter is A. The sound of the letter A is A, A, A. A, ant. A, ant. A, apple. A, apple. A, arrow. A, arrow. A, aeroplane. A, aeroplane. A, axe. A, axe. Yes, the name of the letter is T. This is uppercase T and this is lowercase t. This is uppercase T. Yes. Now, think and tell me the word that begins with as sound. Yes, dears, tell your answer to your parents. They will chat. They will tell the answer in the chat box. Think and tell me the word that begins with a sound. Yes, very good. Alphabet, animal, alligator, auntie, alligator. Yes, anteater. As ant, antenna, antenna. Yes, well done, dear. Well done. The next letter, the name of the letter is T. This is uppercase T and this is lowercase t. The sound of the letter T is t, t, t. The sound of the letter T is t, t, t. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with T sound. T, two, T, two. T, Torch. Torch is a small animal that looks like a frog. Okay, it torch is it will look like a frog and has dry, rough skin. You know, dear, torch live mostly on land rather than in water. Okay, it's look like a frog only. Okay, torch, torch. Tree, tree, tub, tub, tiger, tiger. Now I want all children repeat after me without unmute your mic. Name of the letter is T. The sound of the letter T is T, 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 T. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with T sound. Repeat after me, dear. T, two, T, two. T, tortoise. Tortoise is a small animal that looks like a frog and it has dry and rough skin. Tortoise. T, tree. T, tree. T, tub. T, tub. T, tiger. Yes, my children are super fast. Yes, they are telling the words that begins with T sound. Well done. Superb. Yes. Tall, two, teddy, television, top, tools, tap, teddy. Yes, very good, dear. Tree. Yes. Temple. Very good, very good. Well done. Yes. We recap the letters and its sound with the pictures, right? The name of the letter is S. This is uppercase S and lowercase s. The sound of the letter S is. The name of the letter is A. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. The sound of the letter A is A, A, A. The name of the letter is T. This is uppercase T and this is lowercase t. The sound of the letter T is T, Yes.
Yes. Now we have look and say. Yes, dears. We recap the letters and its sounds using pictures. Yes, dears. We recap the letters S-A-T by sound and using the pictures also we have done. Yes. Now we are going to read simple sentences by using these pictures. Yes. Shall we do that? Yes. The first picture is seal. Seal. Next, soup. Soup. Next, sun. Sun. Seal. Soup. Sun. Seal. Everyone repeat after me, dears. Seal. Soup. Sun. Okay. By using these three pictures, words, we are going to frame a very simple sentence. Okay. You know a sentence, dears? You must always read the sentence from left to right. You must always read a sentence from left to right. Okay, dears? So when you're reading a sentence, you must use your pointer finger. By reading a sentence, you must use your pointer finger for each letter and word. You must use your pointer finger. Okay. Now shall we read the simple sentence? Yes. I want all my children to listen carefully. Then you can repeat after ma'am. Yes. Yes. Here. Here. Seal. Here. Seal. Sips. Soup. In the sun. Shall we do it one more time? Yes. A seal sips. One minute. Yes. A seal sips soup in the sun. Okay. Shall we read one more time? Yes. Now I want all my children to read along with ma'am. If you keep on reading a sentence, you will get it. Okay, dears? Yes. A seal sips soup in the sun. Yes. A seal sips soup in the sun. Okay, dears? Yes. Shall we see the next pictures? Yes, here we have. Here we have first picture, ant. Ant. Everyone repeat after ma'am. Ant. A apple. A apple. A arrow. A arrow. Everyone repeat after ma'am. A ant. A apple. A arrow. Yes. By using ant, apple, and arrow, we are going to read your simple sentence. Shall we read? So while reading a sentence, you must always read from left to right. You must use your pointer finger. Okay, dears? Yes. And it's the apple with an arrow. Yes, shall we read one more time? Yes. And kids the apple with an arrow. Yes. Now I want all my children to read along with ma'am. Yes. And and it's the apple with an arrow. Arrow. Yes. One more time, dears. Yes. And it's the apple with an arrow. Next we have the pictures for letter T. Yes. The first one is two. Two. Tods. Tods. Tub. Tub. Everyone repeat after me. Two. Tods. Tub. Tub. Yes. Now shall we read a simple sentence by using 3 words? Yes. Two dogs swim in the tub. Yes. Shall we read one more time? Two dogs swim in the tub. Yes, I want all my children to repeat after ma'am. Two dogs swim in the tub. tub. So we have read the sentence for the letter S, A, and T by using the words. Yes, dears? Yes. Now, shall we draw the two pictures that begins with each of the letters? So, can you see the letters over here in the first column? Yes, dears? So, here we have given two blank spaces. We are going to draw the pictures that begins with the letter sound. Yes? Shall we do that? Yes. The first letter is, the name of the letter is yes. The sound of letter S is S. S. So we are going to draw two pictures that begins with sound. Yes. Now ma'am is going to draw sun. Sun begins with the letter sound. S. S. Sun. Sun. Yes, dears? Sun. The next picture in this column we have to draw. Shall we draw star? Yes, star begins with the letter sound. Star. Star. Sun. Star. Sun. Star. Okay. Okay. So the next letter is, the name of the letter is A. The sound of letter A is A. Now ma'am is going to draw apple. 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 Apple begins with the letter sound A. Yes. Apple. Apple. Yes. The next picture, what shall we draw? Yes. Arrow. Arrow. Shall we draw an arrow? Yes. Arrow. Arrow. The letter is A. The sound of letter A is A. Apple. Arrow. We have drawn two pictures for letter A. Okay. Then what is the next letter? The name of the letter is T. The sound of letter T is T. Yes. Yes. Shall we write 2? Yes. T, 2. T, 2. The next picture. T, tree. T, tree. Yes, we have done. We have drawn all the pictures. Sun, star, apple, arrow, two, tree. Now we are going to do a worksheet. Shall we do, dears? Yes. Before starting the worksheet, there is a date over here. Yes. So you have to write today's date, the top of it. What is today's date? 7/4/2021. Okay, dears? You must write the date at the top of the sheet. Yes?
Ranjani ma'am, sorry for disturbing you. 5 minutes more.
5 minutes more.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are going to circle the letter yes. You all know uppercase yes and lowercase yes. See, in this column, we have so many letters. Yes, dears? So you have to circle only letter yes. So where we have here and here, yes, here and here, yes, like that you have to do in your worksheet. Yes, the next one is circle the letter that each picture begins with. Okay, so ma'am taught you all the pictures. Yes, one I will do for you. Okay, the first picture is star. 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 The beginning sound for star is S. The name of the letter is yes. So we have to circle letter yes. Okay, dears? Same as that, you have to do rest by yourself. Yes? Yes. The next one is write the letter that each picture begins with. Okay. So can you see the first picture? It's a soup.
Soup. The beginning sound of the soup is so the letter S makes sound. So we have to write letter S. Yes, yes. So see dears, we have to write in 4 lines. Okay. Yes, we have to write the S from the upper right line to lower blue line. Okay. And the lower letter S, lowercase letter S inside the 2 blue line. Okay, dears? Like this, you have to write soup, axe. Okay, you should write in 4 lines. You should use the rules of the 4 lines notebook. Okay, dears? Yes, this is workbook. Young Explorer Workbook Volume 1. Yes? And this you can, after the session, you can recap these pictures and you can read these sentences. This is in Young Explorer Content Volume 1 book. Okay, dears? Ma'am will send a PPT in your class group. You can refer this PPT also. Okay? In today's English time, we recap the letters and the sound S, A, T, and we read the sentences and we did an activity. We draw the pictures that begins with each of the letters. Yes? And we did a workbook, volume 1. So I want all my children, after the session, you can try it out. Okay, dears? Yes. You listen, see, today.
Yes, today you all answered so well in your class group. Yes, dears? Yes, those shining stars for you and a smiley. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, Jay Gurdev. Happy learning.